What is up? This is We the Sweet and I am Chef Leanne. This is BB-8. BB-8's going to help me out today because his master's got a birthday coming up and he has a very important message for me. That's right. It's Keelan's birthday. All right, BB-8, what's your message? Oh, yeah? No kidding. Nice. Yeah, I think I can help him out. All right, well, BB-8 says, all right, I got it. BB-8 says that his master Keelan has requested tiramisu for his birthday treat. All right, tiramisu. You know, of course, I can't just do it the normal old way. I've got to make it super special. It is Keelan's birthday after all. So that's why I'm going to share some of my Mona Lisa decorations with you guys. Mona Lisa is our chocolate decoration line, and they have an entire catalog full of really extraordinary chocolate decorations to choose from. It's a lot. So if you want to see more details about our Mona Lisa products, or even sample some, message me. I'll hook you up. So I'm going to start with the Mona Lisa rectangle. This is, in my opinion, a very cool, very modern looking chocolate cup. Now, who doesn't like to eat their entire dessert? I like these as well. These are called cake grids, mini cake grids. I think these are a nice modern addition to spice things up. And of course, I'm going to make them gold because that's just what I do. Okay, BB-8, are you ready to get started? We got a lot of work to do. Do or do not. There is no try. I got a hungry Jedi to go and feed. But if you have any comments or questions, by all means, let me know. And of course, and as always, please like and subscribe.